Hi, I'm Ellie. I'm an incoming fourth-year nursing student here in the Philippines, and since I only have one more school year left till I graduate, I figured that I could really use a refresher, and I realized that I just wanted to review over all of the topics that I've learned throughout the past 3 years, and that is when I discovered Lecturio. And when I made my account, the first thing that I told myself was that I wish I discovered this sooner because Lecturio covers all of the important subjects and they teach you through bite-sized video lessons. And as a student, I just find that super helpful because they're so easy to watch and absorb, which really helps with retaining information. But the best part about Lecturio is that not only am I getting bite-sized, short and concise lessons, but I'm also being provided with information and tools that will really help me prepare to become a better healthcare professional, which is why I would definitely recommend this to every single nursing student out there because nursing is very overwhelming and hard, but Lecturio can definitely make it easier for you.